So today we will have a discussion of the intersection of the solid. Now read the problem. A vertical square prism, base 60 mm side, is completely penetrated by horizontal square prism, base 40 mm side, so that their axes are 8 mm apart. The axis of the horizontal prism is parallel to VP, while the faces of both the prism are equally inclined to VP. Draw the projections showing line of intersection. Assume length of both the prism 100 mm. Now let us understand the meaning of each sentence. We already know there are two solids. One is vertical and another is horizontal. Here the vertical solid is a square prism which I have shown here with yellow color, whose faces, these are the square prism has four rectangular faces. Here which are the four? A, B, 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 C, C, B, C, D, C, D, and AD, AD. These are the four rectangular faces. These rectangular faces are equally inclined to VP. This is the vertical square prism. So I have named the vertical edges A, B, B, C, C, and D. Here is the axis, top face center and bottom face center. I have named it as O and P. Okay. Now, if you draw the projections, what are the projections of this vertical solid? First, we have to draw the cross section. Here the square is a cross section. It is observed from the top side. So I will draw the top side first, that is the square. Second, I will draw the front view. And third, I will draw the side view. I will name it as AA, BB, CC, DD. These names are transferred in the front view. This is the vertical edge AA. This is the front side edge BB. This is the back side edge CC. And back side edge again exactly back side, that is DD. And this is also axis OP. Now these points are transferred in the side view. This is the point DD. This is the point AA as well as CC. If you observe from the left side, this is the point BB. These are the projection of the vertical solid, that is the square prism. Now, which are drawn with the pink color, that is the horizontal square prism, whose dimensions are given. This is the 60 mm edge, axis length is 100 mm. So axis is parallel to VP as well as HP. So where the cross section of the, if you draw the cross projection of this horizontal solid, so cross section square, what do you mean by cross section? The section which is perpendicular to the axis. Here is the axis IJ, I have written IJ. The square, I will name it as 1, 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4. Now, if you draw the projection of this solid, horizontal solid, we observe square in the side view. So, I will draw the first side view. I will name it as, this is center IJ. This is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now, I will transfer this will be your front view. That is the rectangle, which is 1, 1, this is 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. And top view, if I project from this side, this is 3, 3, 4, 4, again 2, 2, and this one is 1, 1. These are the projection of vertical square prism and horizontal square prism. This is the rough sketches which you have to imagine before starting the drawing. so you can understand the positions of the axis. Here the axis in the vertical solid is OP. This is the OP and this is also the OP in the side view. Here is the axis IJ. These axes are apart by the distance of 8 mm. By the distance of 8 mm. Now let us start to draw the fair sketch. First, what is the first step in the intersection of solid? First, we have to draw the top view of the vertical member at a 45 degree. So I am drawing the top view. This is the center point OP. Here I will name this as AA, BB, CC, DD. Now I will draw the front view. This is the base of vertical square prism. What is the axis height? This is 100 mm, OP. These are the vertical edge AA. This is the back side edge which is dotted. That is the DD. This is the front side edge BB which is seen to the observer. So I am drawing as a dark. This is the point B. Okay, means there are three lines. First BB, second OP, and third DD, exactly lying behind each other. Now the side edge is CC, and this is the top face CC. Now I will transfer this point. I will draw the side view. This is the base. This will be point D, C, A, and B. This is the axis. This is also point P. This is the axis, which is 100 mm. This is the edge DD. This is the edge BB. This is the top face, which I name point D, C, A, O, and B. Now this is also axis. Now this is the side view of the horizontal member. This is IJ, which is 8 mm apart from OP axis. I will take a distance OP. I will draw the square. And name 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. This is IJ. Then I will project it. I will draw front view of the horizontal member. That is the rectangle. 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4. I will draw the top view of this rectangle. This is the center line. This is the point 3, 3. This is the point 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. Now we have to draw the line of intersection. What we have completed, that is the projections we have completed. Projection of both the solid, that is front view, top view and side view with the given condition position of the axis, that is 8 mm apart. Now we will draw the intersection of the solid. To draw the intersection of solid, we have to move in the top view. Now this 3-3 entry, the edge 3-3 entry we will name where it cuts the vertical member at the entry and at the exit. We will name as at the entry P3 and at the exit Q3. Similarly, we have to name all the points. This is the point P4 and P2. This is the point Q2, Q4. And this is the point which is not intersecting the vertical member. Now, we also name, we have to transfer this point. The P3 lies on 3-3 edge. So I transfer this point P3 on front view on the edge 3-3 and I will name it as P3. I will transfer P4 and P2. Why I have named P4? Because it is lying on 4-4 edge. Why I have named P2? Because it is lying on 2-2 edge. So I will transfer the point on the same numbers. So P4 will be transferred on the edge 4-4 and P2 will be transferred on the edge P2. Similarly, I will transfer the exit side of the horizontal side, that is leaving the vertical solid, that is Q3. Q3 will be transferred. It is lying on 3-3, so I will transfer it on the 3-3 only. This will be point Q3. This will be the point Q4 and this will be point Q2. Now, the horizontal solid which is shown by the yellow color also cuts the vertical solid. The edges CC and AA, I will name it as M and N. This point MN lies on CC and AA, where in the side view, the same point MN should be transferred in the front view on the line CC and AA. So I will transfer the same point, I will draw the projection line, faint line here. Where that point MN are lying? They are lying on CC and AA. This is AA and this is CC. I will name this as M. This will as N. I will name as M and this will be point N. Now it also cuts the vertical solid BB. This is the point BB. The horizontal solid which is shown in the yellow color also cuts. I will name it as ST. It cuts the vertical edge BB and I have named where it cuts at S and T. So I transfer this S and T where it is lying in the side view on the vertical edge BB. In the front view I will transfer. This is the BB. I will transfer this point. This is the point S and this is the point T. Now I will draw the line of intersection. So how will be the line of the intersection? From I will start S4 and T2 will be seen to the observer. That is this much portion. behind this portion will not observe to the observer. So I will start from the S. Where is the S point in the entry side? At the entry side, S point lies. This is the S. I will draw the line S to P4. Here is P4. After 4 it is M, which will be not seen. It is a dotted. After M it is a 3, which is not seen. It is a dotted. After 3 it is N. That is the sequence we have to maintain from the side view. After N it is 2 point. Now this part is seen to the observer. So I will draw from 2 to T. So I will draw is that dark line. Same side. In a similar way, at the exit side, we will start from the S to 4. Q4 is seen to the observer, so I will draw it darker. From 4 to M, from this side, 4, M, 3, N, 2 is not seen to the observer. From 4 to M, so we will draw the dotted. From M to 3, we will draw the dotted. From 3 to N, we will draw the dotted line. From in this way, we will complete the intersection of the solid with a straight line. Now, which part of the object is cut? The object is cut. The vertical member material is removed. The horizontal member is not cut, so it will be seen dotted. This will be the part dotted of the horizontal, which is the inside, the object. And this line will be the darker line. This part is cut, so we have to show fent. This part is cut, we have to show fent, because vertical solid is cut. Here this part will be the dotted part, which is lying inside the vertical solid. This will be the dark, and this line 1 1 is seen, so it is completely dark. Now we have to name the view. This is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the side view of the object. Give the dimensions. This is the 60 mm vertical solid, height 100 mm. What is the eccentricity? 8 mm. Okay, thank you.